Hello, Carly here from Advanced Aesthetic Training. Welcome to part 2 of this video series on dermaplaning treatment sales tips. Today, we'll be exploring the critical role of trust in sales and how to establish a strong rapport with your skincare clients. In the aesthetics industry, trust forms the cornerstone of strong, long-lasting client relationships. Building trust is especially vital when offering dermaplaning treatments due to the nature of the procedure. Although dermaplaning is non-invasive, it involves using a sharp instrument on a delicate area of the face, which can understandably cause clients to feel nervous or apprehensive. Proper training is essential for performing dermaplaning treatments safely and effectively. This procedure demands a high level of expertise, and by displaying your certification in your workspace, you can help reassure your clients of your qualifications. Clients are more likely to trust professionals who have undergone thorough training. To help you build and maintain trust with your clients, here are some key strategies. Tip number 1 is to be consistent. Always provide a high-quality service that meets or exceeds your clients' expectations. Consistency in your work helps your clients feel confident in your abilities. And follow through. If you make a promise, whether it's about a product, a follow-up, or a specific result, ensure that you do deliver on it. Tip number 2 is show genuine interest. Listen actively. Pay close attention to your client's concerns, preferences, and feedback. Ask questions to fully understand their needs. And personalize your approach. Use the information you gather to tailor your advice and services to their specific needs. Tip number 3 is to be transparent. Make honest recommendations and only suggest products or services that you genuinely believe will benefit your clients. If something isn't right for them, let them know. Communicate clearly. Be upfront about the costs, benefits, and any potential drawbacks of a product or a treatment. Avoid surprises by discussing everything openly. Tip number 4, demonstrate expertise by staying educated. Continually update your knowledge on the latest products, techniques, and trends in skincare. Clients trust professionals who are well informed and up to date. Educate your clients. Share your knowledge in a way that's easy for clients to understand. Explain why certain products or treatments are beneficial for their specific concerns. Tip number 5 is to be empathetic and understand their perspective. Put yourself in your client's shoes. Show that you understand their concerns and are there to help them find the best solutions possible. And provide comfort. Make your clients feel at ease by creating a welcoming and comfortable environment. A caring approach goes a long way in building trust. Tip number 6, maintain professionalism and respect boundaries. Always be respectful of your client's personal space and preferences. Professionalism in all interactions builds trust and shows that your clients are in good, capable hands. And be punctual and reliable. Being on time and prepared for every appointment shows respect for your client's time and reinforces their trust in you. Tip number 7 is to foster open communication by encouraging feedback. Let clients know that their opinions matter and that you're open to hearing their thoughts, whether positive or negative, and respond appropriately. When clients provide feedback, take it seriously. If there's a problem, address it promptly and show that you're committed to finding a solution. Tip number 8 is to show appreciation. Thank your clients. Regularly express gratitude for their business, whether through a simple thank you note, a special offer, or a small gift. Showing appreciation helps strengthen the relationship. By consistently applying these strategies, you'll build a strong foundation of trust with your clients, which is crucial for both their satisfaction and the success of your business.